Okay, hey guys, today we're doing the firework. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do a firework.
What is this?
Yeah, we're doing all of those fireworks. We're doing all of those fireworks. Yeah, my brother's talking. Look at the light of dude. Look. Look, Lucy. Look.
No. No. ¿Sabes cómo se escapa, no? Ok, ponlo bien ahí.
How should we do it?
Ahí. Right there, Brian. Ahí en medio ponlo, ahí en la cancha.
Let me do it. Whoa. 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 Can I do it? Oh! Hey. Can you poke it? Can you poke it? Huh? What?
Ese no es mi hijo. Espérate.
What?
Oh, right there. Matthew, come here.
What? Under. Is it over? What?
Hay que encenderlo ahí, mira.
Wait,
Ahí,
okay,
ahí
hold me.
está la
Hold on, move.
Y enciéndelo. Go.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
Mira. You gotta press this one. This one in and then like that.
Okay, can I do it?
Yeah, go.
Nice, move.
Go. There we go. Espérate. You gotta let it out. Enciéndelo, come on.
What?
No tengas miedo, go. Deja que cuando se enciende lo quitas. Dale, go. Despacio, tranquilo. Ahora sí.
Oh!
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 Oh! That was it?
Now you do this one, Miguel.
What?
You gotta do this one.
Can I have it? Ooh. Okay. Can you hold me?
You have to hold, puppy. There you go.
Oh!
Yeah.
Move, Sonny, move. Whoa! I accidentally stepped on it. What?
Miguel lo paró.
It was by accident. Oh, let me do it. Let me do it this time.
Let you do this one, okay?
Okay. Whoa. Okay, Daddy, can I have it? Whoa. 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 That was it? Let me do it this time. Let me do it. you recording? Oh.
Espérate, Brian, espera. Yeah.
Whoa. Daddy, move, get away from it. Ah, man, that's it? Now, let me do it. Maybe these. Oh. Well,
Big one.
which one? Yeah, should I
This is a
have
firework, look. Hey, come here.
Daddy, wait. Whoa. Can you help me?
Oh, yeah. Here.
I
Hold it.
can't help. Which one?
That one.
Okay, let me see. Oh! What? Oh, hold on, wait, oh!
Hold it.
Why? Is that bad? Oh, can I have it?
No, it's done.
What? Is it bad enough? It's bad?
I'll give you another one. Hold it. Don't drop it. If you drop it, that's bad. Don't drop it.
Wait, can you hold it?
Stop moving. Sweet.
What is this? Oh! Daddy, Brian, can you help me?
Move it around. Move it like that.
Oh, help!
It's gonna explode.
No, help me, please!
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
May help! I need help!
Be careful. It's careful.
Oh my god, that was close.
Put it in the box.
Help! Let me do it. Hold on, I have the lighter. Brian, give me the lighter. Which one?
There.
This one? Can you record me? Oh! Move, Daddy, move. I told you it's kind of sparkly. Wait, one more.
Yeah, one more.
Wait, just here, just one more.
Voy a ponerlo ya, mira. Aquí. Rápido.
What? Oh, here. Thank you. Whoa! Okay. What? What? There's one more! There's one more! There's one more! More. Whoa! 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 That was cool.
Bastante.
You have a lot? You're gonna look at the man right there. Wait, there's one more. Whoa! Whoa! That's huge! Hold on. Mom, can you record me? Can you record it?
Pero falta, papi. Espérate, si yo va a tirar uno todavía, mi amor. Todavía no, espere.
No, I mean like this.
Sabes que dependiendo si tienes un padre ahí y vas así, te dice dónde está yendo el wind. So the wind is going this way. ¿Sí, tu tía? Si pones esto y te sale de un lado, sabes dónde está yendo, por decir, el air está yendo de aquí, el viento.
Ryan, can you put the fire for here?
Don't move, stay.
Ahí va otro, Miguel.
Be careful, cause your hand can fall off if the fire goes.
No.
Mike, can you help me?
No.
No te vas a quemar, mijo.
No te vas a quemar, eso se paga solo.
¿Viste? Se pagó y ya se va a pagar solito, ¿ves?